Hi guys, welcome to another video of the Vision. So, we're going to be doing grade 5 basic division. 99 divided by 9 is 11. 72 divided by 6 is 12. 98 divided by 7. 7 times 12 is 84. 84 plus 7 is 91. 91 plus 7 is 98. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 33 divided by 3 is 3. 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 84 divided by 7 is 12. Oh, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Correct. 99 divided by 9 is 11. 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 77 divided by 7 is 11. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 99 divided by 9 is 11. 98 divided by 7 is 14. 88 divided by 8 is 11. 120 divided by 8 is, so 8 times 8, 8 times 12 is 96. 96 plus 8. 96 plus 8. Oh. 120 divided by 8 is 14. I mean 13. Not 13. 15. 56 divided by 4 is 13. 44 divided by 4 times 12 is 48. 4 times 13 is 4 times 13 is 6. It is 52. 4 times 13 is 52. 4 times 13 is 4 times 13 is 52, and 4 times 14 is 56. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Okay. 117 divided by 9 is 13. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 84 divided by 7 is 12. 117 divided by 9 is 13. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 98 divided by 7 is 14. 115 divided by 3 is 5. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Bye guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.